Goldman Sachs just dropped a bomb. 300 million white-collar jobs could vanish by 2028. That is not speculation. That is their official research. Global workforce elimination on this scale has never happened before. A McKinsey report from 2024 states 44% of administrative tasks will be automated within 36 months. Your email inbox management, your data entry, your scheduling, all gone. Deloitte found 67% of corporate finance roles face obsolescence by 2027. JP Morgan deployed Coin software. It reviewed 360,000 commercial loan agreements in seconds. Attorneys needed 360,000 hours for that same work. Now they need nothing. Your paycheck depends on skills AI cannot replicate yet. That window closes fast. Every week brings new models. Every month brings new automation. Your job title might be on borrowed time. You have 48 months maximum to pivot. Learn prompt engineering today. Build AI workflows today. Stop waiting. Start moving now. Like and subscribe for more. Zero Input AI, every day.